Welcome to Jaydeep Enterprises, offer construction equipment and services. The company was incorporated in 2004 at Pune. Sound financial position and trusted vendor base helps us to grab maximum customer satisfaction. Immense domain experience and transparent business practices help us to serve clientele like Kumar Builders and Jaydeep Buildcon. We offer a vast range of construction grouts, chemicals, and waterproofing compounds. Epoxy flooring systems, joints, and sealants offered by us are best in the industry amongst others. Our organization is highly involved in providing an impeccable range of fixing systems, chemical fixing, and cutting services. Our clients can avail from us an exquisite range of construction and waterproofing services that are cost-effective. Along with that, we offer chemicals for construction use, epoxy flooring, and coating services. We are highly instrumental in presenting a wide spectrum of floor hardener for building construction and waterproofing compounds for construction works. For more information, log on at www.jaydeepenterprises.in.